NY2 globally a trusted source for refractory and abrasive material. In industries where failure is not an option, the materials must perform with absolute reliability. NY2 delivers premium refractory solutions. From alumina-based raw material for refractory products to specialized magnesia-based products, every batch meets rigorous ISO standards, with purity levels exceeding 99.95%. We ensure consistent performance across your operations. Our dual warehouse strategy in China and India cuts delivery times by up to 40%. Local stock means faster response to your urgent needs. With over 100K plus MT annual capacity, we support projects of any scale, from pilot runs to full-scale production. Trusted by 500 plus global manufacturers, powering critical processes worldwide. Contact us to discuss your requirements.